Welcome to Technology FAQ. I'm Hirok and today we are going to make this beautiful 3D effect with HTML and CSS. So let's begin. First of all, create a new project folder and open it in VS Code, and then create a new file called index.html, then another file style.css. Now let's go to the index.html and let's write the markup. Okay, so let's give it a name of 3D glass effect. Then in the body, let's create an element with a class of title. You can name it whatever you want, and then inside that let's write my name. To link the CSS file also. Link style.css. Now let's go to style. First of all, let's import the font that I'm going to use it here. It's called Rubik, and let's search for it as Rubik Google font. Then click on the link and click the plus button here. Then go to customize and select, you don't need to select the regular one, the bold 700, and then go to embed. We'll click on import and we have to copy this one at import, copy. Then let's go to CSS file and save it. Okay, now I'm going to open this project in with live server, and you can find this extension here. You can search for live server and it's created by Richwick Day. Okay, so we'll Control Shift P, then live server, open with live server. Okay, now say select all, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, and font family Rubik, and for the fallback we'll use sans serif. Okay, now write HTML comma body with 100% height 100%. Then we'll select only the body and we'll write display great, then justify content center and align items center. Okay, then let's give it a background color, PG color of 000011. Okay, now let's select the title and let's create a custom variable, CSS variable of color C, and the color will be hash 1 dd 3 b01a. Okay, now let's change the text color. The color will be a little bit of FFA0. Okay, now font size 15 rem, letter spacing 0.5 rem. Then text shadow will be 5 pixels, and the color and the text color -c. Then again 10 pixels var -c. Then 15 pixels var -c. Then 20 pixels var -c. Let's save it. Okay, now we'll give it shadow -c, then comma 40 pixels and 15 pixels of blur. The color will be same, var -c. Okay, now as you can see, the text is having some nice 3D glass effect. Now let's give it a border of 5 pixels, solid 11DD 3B060. Okay, so here we have the border. Now let's give some padding. Padding will be 1 rem, 4 rem and 3 rem. Okay, then let's skew it a little bit. So we'll give transform skew -15 degrees, -15 degrees. Okay, so now we have that effect. Now we just need to add the animation. So let's first name the animation. It will be animation. Let's give it the name any. Then 5 seconds, infinite, and ease in, out, and alternate. Okay, now let's define the animation. Add keyframes, the name is any, then inside that write 100%, and inside that now let's copy the text shadow. Copy, let's paste it. Then we'll change this to be the X to be -5 pixels, -5 pixels, -10 pixels, -15 pixels, -20 pixels, and -40 pixels. Now as you can see, the shadow is changing. Now let's give it the skew property also. Transform skew, and the previous one was -15 degree, and so this one will be 15 degree. Let's save it. Now as you can see, the effect. Okay, let's give it some border radius. Border radius will be after border radius of 1 rem. Okay, so the border are rounded now, so it looks better. Now if you want to make the text editable, all you have to do is go to index.html, and in this div right? Content editable, then save it. Now you can change the text to whatever you want. Say hello. You can write even your name, let's say. Okay, but to remove this red wavy line, all you have to do is spell check to false. Spell check and give it a value of false. Okay, underline will be gone. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, as I post new contents like this every weekend or so. So see you in the next video.